Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Asana for investment project timelines. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Asana website using your preferred web browser. Log into your Asana account with your credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on the profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select My Profile Settings. In the Settings menu, find and choose the Apps tab. Scroll down to the Developer Apps section. Click on Create New App to start the authentication process. Provide a name for your application to identify it easily. Next, set the app's redirect URI. This is where Asana will send users after they authenticate. Choose the required permissions for your app based on what you need to achieve. Once everything is set, click Create App. Take note of the client ID and client secret provided after creating the app. Now, open a new tab and navigate to the Asana API documentation to find the authentication guidelines. Follow the OAuth 2.0 workflow to authenticate your app with Asana. Generate the authorization URL using your client ID and redirect URI. Use that URL to prompt users for access permission. After users grant permission, you will receive an authorization code in your redirect URI. Use this authorization code to request an access token from Asana. Make a post request to the token endpoint with your client ID, client secret, and the authorization code. Receive the access token from Asana and store it securely. You're now authenticated and can start managing investment project timelines in Asana. Use the access token to make API requests to retrieve or update project timelines as needed. Remember to handle token expiration and refresh tokens as required to maintain access. Explore the project timelines feature within Asana to effectively organize and track your investment projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.